In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start affiliate marketing with no money, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm on YouTube and I'm going to show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube starting with zero money. So YouTube is free, you just make a channel, you have your Gmail account, then you can start making videos. You can start making videos around product reviews. So a product review video, all you do is you find a product online, you either purchase it or you find some information about it on the web page, you find honest reviews, and then you give your take on it, whether it's a good product or not, and then you link it down in your description. So I'm on a video that says 10 best top rated Amazon products that you need. So Shia Whitney has a channel and she has a ton of subscribers, and what she's doing is she's reviewing some products. She has them listed down here as links, and these are affiliate links. So an affiliate link is a link where you have your ID embedded in the link, and then when a customer clicks on that and they go to purchase it, if they end up purchasing it within a certain window of time, whether it's 7 days, 24 hours, 30 days, then you're going to get credit for that commission. So for example, with Amazon, you can make 3% to about 8% commission on that product. So as you can see, Shia is reviewing this product right here, this pink thing. When I go down here in her links, I can see Critter Catcher right here. So if I click on this link, it's going to take me to the Amazon listing for that product. So it's an insect catcher, and notice in the URL it says REF, which means referral, and at the end of it, it says Shia Whitney, so you can see that it's being tagged for her. So if I were to purchase this, she would get a small percentage of it. However, with higher ticket or higher priced products, she could be making a ton of money on this. So if you were reviewing furniture or electronics or certain categories that sites would pay a higher commission percentage and the actual product is higher priced, you're going to get more money for it. So all you need to make one of these videos is a phone or even just your computer, and you can screencast. You can go on Amazon.com, find a product. You can go to like best sellers, so you can see the Echo Dot and you can review that, or a webcam or something, and you don't actually have to buy the product. In fact, all you have to do is look up what other people have said about it and talk about it and show the reviews and show the proof. The best types of reviews are the ones where people actually buy the product because it's right in front of them and they can trust that person a little bit more. However, don't feel compelled to buy all the products because it can be really expensive. You can start with products you actually own too, that you bought off Amazon, and that way you can refer those because you already own them. So if you want to create affiliate links for Amazon, for example, you go to the Amazon Associates program. You can go to their affiliate page, just Google it. And then what you can do is you can search for a particular product. So maybe you want to look up something like a pool or an Echo Dot or something. Then these products are going to come up, and you can get the link, and you can start building out your link that you're going to be able to promote. So maybe you just want the text only link, you want a short link, and then you can put this in your description of your YouTube video, and then you can start recording that video, pop this link in there, and then people can click it and you can get a percentage of that commission. When you're making these videos, you want to make sure that your title and your description have the products, as well as you're talking about the products a lot in the video, because YouTube is going to rank you based on those factors. So if you were ranking a pool, you might say like Amazon pool review, and then you put the brand, and that way it is very searchable, it's very specific to that product, and when people are coming to that video, they have high intent of purchasing that product. So if they like the review, they're going to go down in your description and click it because it's easier for them. If you want me to make a video on YouTube SEO so you can rank easier for those terms so you can get more sales, say yes in the comments below. So it's really that easy. You just record a video on a product or products, and then you put a link down in the description for whatever affiliate program you're a part of. So if it's Amazon, you put the Amazon link. If it's Walmart, you put the Walmart link. Regardless what it is, you can put the link down here and tell people in your video, click that link. And then if somebody is looking for that exact product, they're really likely to buy, especially if you tell them to go down your description and click the link. If you make more general reviews, you might not get as many purchases. In this case, Shia is able to put multiple different products. So even if they don't buy one of the products, she has a higher chance of getting somebody to buy one of these 10 products. If you really want to knock it out of the park, you can make a product review video of a ton of different products, or you can just split that into a ton of different videos. That way, you can have a ton of different chances to get sales. Starting an online business can be really difficult. You have to learn how to create funnels, drive traffic, convert on leads, and then learn how to generate sales and scale. Sometimes it's so time consuming you just want to give up. I was in your shoes. I wanted to give up too, many times, but I kept pushing. And I kept reading on all these different articles on how to get started and how to stay consistent and how to learn the proper skills. What if I told you that I packaged those skills into a free guide just for you? If you want to get started with your affiliate marketing business today, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You'll be able to get your affiliate marketing business off the ground and running in no time. This way you can spend more time with your family while you're generating passive income. You'll learn how to tap into affiliate networks, how to pick the right products to promote, how to do keyword research, and much more. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, sign up for your free guide, and let's get started with your online business. I hope this video was super helpful in helping you to get your online business off the ground and running. If you like this video, stomp on that like button. I want you to punch that subscribe button and flick on that notification bell so you do not miss a single video from me. There's a video right after this one, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace out.